What are we gonna make today?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. What color of Play-Doh will you make?
Blue, red, and green, and brown.
Okay.
Or maybe yellow.
Alright, where's your flour?
Yellow.
Each one has a bowl. Where's your flour?
What do we do first?
Okay, put the salt in your bowl.
This one?
Yes.
Clean this.
The salt, the one with...
Clean this one.
Yes.
Here.
Yes. Then mix it with your hands. Mix. Yes, mix it with your hands. Make sure nothing spills. How's it going, guys?
Good. But also, my hand's getting...
Don't let the powder. Okay, now put the cream of tartar. You can use your apron.
Out of it?
Yep. Okay, mix with your hands. Make sure you mix it well so that you're... Okay. How is it? How is it? Miguel, your bowl will fall na. Wala ka ng Play-Doh. Put the oil in the middle of the thing.
Like that.
Yep. Okay. And then, alright, this is gonna be a warm water. That's why you need to take your hands off it. Okay? Alright. Wait, Mama put the warm water. Ate, pahingan ng parang spatula. Tigisa sila.
And can I have the big one? Miguel, how come your voice sounds a bit different?
Hindi, yung wooden.
Miguel's voice sounds a bit different.
Yeah, why do you sound like a crocodile?
He told you. Eh, tapos yan.
Why do you sound like a crocodile? Are you worried, Kuya? Why? Okay, use your spatula to mix it.
That's not a spatula. That's a giant spoon.
Okay, spoon. Okay, hold your bowl. Yeah, stir it. The water is very warm, so you need to be careful as you make it.
What do you need warm water?
Okay, mix it well with the other powder so that you will have a good Play-Doh. Pretty much. Yeah, that's why I told you to hold the bowl.
It's kasi it dropped here.
Okay, you can put it back.
Mama,
Hold your bowl.
I don't see.
One hand on the bowl, one hand on the spoon.
Oh, and the Please told you before it sounds a bit different.
What does it sound like?
See?
It sounds like a crocodile. Hi, Crocky. Crocky Miguel.
Pwede na ba to?
Sige pa, dapat ano na yan.
It has lower on.
Hold it properly, Kuya. Tingnan mo yung kay Miguel, oh, hindi lang lumalagpas.
Yeah, and I want to like.
Your Play-Doh. How's it going? Touch it. Does it feel like Play-Doh?
Yes,
Why don't you combine the two Play-Doh? Okay?
how come I have more?
No, we will just split it up later again. Because Miguel's have a bit too much flour. Okay, ask Ate for some flour, please. Thank you.
Can I have some flour, please?
Just sprinkle a few.
Okay, where? Here?
Here. Just a few, okay? Okay. Oops. Too many. Ay, hindi. Sige, some more. Oop. Tama na. Too much.
I guess that's
Okay. That might spill. Give that to Ate.
here.
Okay, punch it, Miguel. Mix it like what you would do a bread.
I want to. And I have this. What is it?
Oh, okay. No, because, okay, Kuya. Si Kuya naman. Sandali. Kuya, can you punch it? Andali, si Miguel na. Kuya naman. Kapos
Gusto
ka
ko
na.
ako mag-stir.
Oh, hindi na in-Easter. Hands na yan. Hindi, gaganon mo. Oh. Ganon, oh. Mix it up. The flour and the water. Mix it up. Come on, guys. Because if it's not a good dough, then you can't make a good Play-Doh.
It's kind of sticky.
Huh?
It's a bit too sticky.
Yeah. Okay, how's it going?
Let me see if I can roll it into a ball.
Yeah.
Here.
How's it?
No, it's too soft.
It's too soft? I think it's good enough.
It's a bit too soft.
Color?
Yes.
Okay, 1. This one. Boing. Oh! No! So many. Okay, I think we need to add more. Doing. Okay. Now. Ooh, it's bloody. It's like blood.
Blood.
Okay, Mama will mix it up.
Mama, now when you're getting
Shall we
blood.
put more flour?
Mama, now when you have the blood.
My hands.
So
They're bloody. Ah! Are you scared, Miguel?
No.
Why? Why are you not scared?
It
My
looks like
hands.
meat.
Oh no. How's the Play-Doh?
Good.
Ooh, that's not bad. We don't have to buy a Play-Doh anymore. We will save so much money. We can retire now. We invented the Play-Doh of the world. Can I see? Can I see? Show Mama. Wow. How about you? Your turn?
Green.
Green. Okay. Squish your Play-Doh. Do you like it?